Today I'm going to show you some two-handed combos using a bound transition for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz Tricking. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be getting into the 6th set of combos for two-handed flips, which use a bound transition to do. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your 5th set of combos down for this level. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. Also, real quick, I want to let you know that the new white tri-rise tees are available. So get it while you can. All purchases go to helping out the channel and help getting this curriculum done. Now, a bound transition is anytime you land with leg 1 followed by leg 2, make an adjustment, and then take off with both feet at the same time into another trick. First combo is going to be a pop transformer to a spin pop transformer. So you're going to do your pop transformer and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to step around into your second pop transformer. The second combo is going to be a pop cartwheel to a spin pop cartwheel. So you're going to do your pop cartwheel and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to spin around into your second pop cartwheel. Third combo is going to be a pop master scoop follow through to a spin pop master scoop. So you're going to do your pop master scoop and follow through all the way around to a frontside stance. And from there, you're going to spin around into your second pop master scoop. The last combo is going to be a pop hand swipe, follow through to a spin pop hand swipe. So you're going to do your pop hand swipe and follow through to a frontside stance, and from there you're going to spin around into your second pop hand swipe. Now when you do these combos, since we're only focusing on the transition between the two moves, it doesn't matter if you start the first move with a spin or end the last move with a follow through. It's totally up to you. Here are a few tips that can help you out. Make sure when you're doing these combos that you're focusing on staying on your toes as much as you possibly can. Remember to always keep your arms nice and firm, push through your shoulders rather than locking out your elbows. And always, no matter what, make sure that you're keeping your eyes open. Also, if you want a little bit more practice with the bound transition, you can go ahead and click on this tutorial right here and that will help you out with that transition a little bit more. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's tutorial. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. It really means a lot to me to have a group of you guys who are down to support this curriculum as much as you do. And if you would like to support Upraiz Tricking and getting this curriculum out, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Next, we'll be getting into swing through transition combos for two-handed flips, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.